To Wily Monkey. We're off to another adventure today. It's freezing, hence the layers. Gotta love New England weather. One day it's warm, next day it's cold. We're gonna be taking this out. Lamborghini Twin Turbo by Hefner on its winter setup, which are the OEM wheels. That the car started right up since I haven't started in about a month or so. Now we're heading to a quickly touch-free car wash because the car is dirty, and then we're off to our meet. Usually I would do it at home, but since it's so cold, there's no way. Water's frozen, so we're gonna have to definitely do this. Well, it's not bad. It doesn't touch the car at all, so it will be good. Mirrors nowadays are really expensive, so I folded mine in because you don't want to risk it. There goes the soap. Second layer of soap, and then there goes the water. Later on, the smoke makes the car look like it's on fire. It's actually just the water that hits the engine, which I really don't like, but the best solution at this point with this crazy weather where I can't wash it at home. But it comes out pretty clean, and now off we go to car meet. Let's go, guys. So this Shelby looks pretty stock, but it definitely makes me miss my Shelby. I have a 14 Shelby. I blew up the motor, unfortunately, so I had to build it. Still in the process of building it. But this car definitely makes me miss mine. Pretty good turnout. Alright guys, so although it was freezing out and I'm a handicapped monkey, I was able to go to our first kart meet, and it was actually real nice. Got to meet some cool people, and actually got to see some cool cars. Lambo is safe in the garage. And over and out. Please like, subscribe, comment. There's more to come. Wild Monkey.